Because microwave ovens are fast and easy to use, and do not take up too much space, they can be used in homes, offices and restaurants to prepare meals. Even your favorite healthy food restaurant can rely on these appliances to quickly heat or cook. So the question is the microwave safe? Can I eat cooked food? The human digestive system has evolved for tens of thousands of years to digest food that is raw or cooked in water or after heating. However, food cooked in the microwave is completely foreign or unknown to the human digestive system. Obviously, this way of cooking is completely different. It will change the chemical composition of food and have a negative impact on health. Now let's look at it from a more scientific point of view. Let's see how the microwave oven works. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. Microwaves are part of the entire electromagnetic spectrum, including light waves and radio waves. They travel at approximately 299,792 kilometers per second speed of light. So how can it cook food so quickly? There is a magnetron inside the microwave, which is an electron tube. The electron reacts with the magnetic energy and the electron energy and becomes a microwave. Radiation interacts with molecules in food. Food molecules have positive and negative poles, much like magnets with north and south polarities. The electrons of the magnetron generate waves that react with the positive and negative parts of food molecules, and then they start to vibrate millions of times per second. This molecular vibration is the cause of heat in food. This agitation distorts the molecules in the food and produces new natural radiation decomposing compounds, which can reach levels unknown in nature. These strange foreign compounds in food are emitted by microwaves, and they have been proven to interfere with blood components, digestive system and our immune system. Microwave ovens have been around for more than 40 years, but only a few extensive scientific studies have been conducted. Studies show that eating food through microwaves can have a negative impact on health. However, extensive research has been conducted on microwave foods and their effects on the human body in Switzerland and Russia. The conclusion of the two studies is that microwave destroys the nutritional value of food, changes the protein molecules in food, and produces new compounds that are not natural at all. However, the most worrying thing is that when eating food in a microwave oven, the subject's health deteriorated. This is their conclusion. Hemoglobin in the blood, an extremely important compound that transports oxygen in the blood, has been greatly reduced. Increased white blood cells seems to respond to infection. LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, increases, HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol, decreases. Carcinogens in food have increased. The incidence of cancer in the digestive system is higher. Russian scientists have discovered that microwave ovens are terrible, and the use of microwave ovens was banned only recently. When cooking food in a microwave oven, it causes vitamin B, C, E, essential minerals and fat are significantly reduced. Denaturation and dissolution of protein. The loss of important enzymes and phytochemicals. This is a very interesting study on the germination of cereals. The grains in the microwave, then cooled, will not grow or sprout. Obviously, microwaves will change the chemical composition of water and destroy its ability to nourish plants. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. Okay, so is it reasonable to heat food in the microwave from time to time? Do not. In fact, the food heated in the microwave oven is heated unevenly, forming an overheated and cooler area. These colder areas increase the formation of bacteria such as salmonella and cause food poisoning. In addition, when you use plastic tableware or plastic wrap in contact with food, you will eventually add various dangerous chemicals, such as diethylhexyl, adipate or DEHA, carcinogen, bisphenol. Your diet it contains A or BPA, carcinogen of plastic products, and xenostrogen, synthetic estrogen. In a recent study, it was found that carcinogenic compounds in plastic caps reached 10,000 times the limit of the hygienic standard. It has been shown that exposure to BPA used in the production of polycarbonate and other plastics can cause reproductive problems and erectile dysfunction, and is associated with cardiovascular disease and diabetes in humans. Xenostrogen is indeed a bad synthetic estrogen and seems to be everywhere. In men, they can lead to decreased sperm count and feminization, such as real breasts, as well as women's breast cancer and reproductive problems. Xenostrogen causes weight gain in the abdomen and chest of men and women. They increase fat growth in the hips, buttocks, waist, back and arms. Therefore, in addition to being unhealthy, food in the microwave can make you fat. Parents should never heat breast milk or formula in the microwave. Not only will it overheat the milk and burn the baby, it will also destroy the precious nutrients, enzymes and protein necessary for the baby to grow. This is indeed frightening. In 1991, a patient received blood heated in a microwave oven. The patient died of a severe allergic reaction in the blood. The microwave oven produced something completely unrecognizable by the human body. If you want to lose weight healthy, please avoid using microwave oven completely. I personally threw away the microwave oven 6 years ago, and I have never missed it ever since. There are many healthier and better options. It is best to eat raw fruits and vegetables, or if you want to cook them gently, with a small amount of water and a small amount of agricultural butter, or steam until they are tender and crispy. Use a pan or kettle to heat the tea, instead of using a microwave. Even better, use boiling tap water. Take out the food you want to thaw in advance. Heat everything in a pan or foil toaster over low heat, only 4 to 5 minutes to preheat. If you must use a microwave oven, and I don't know why, use only glass utensils instead of plastic utensils. Alternatively, you can try a small convection oven, which cooks food faster and more evenly than a regular oven or stove. You can also cook frozen meat in 20 minutes. It is delicious, golden, tender and juicy. These convection ovens can roast, grill, roast or steam your favorite food, including meat, chicken and vegetables. Compared to traditional ovens, they save 20 to 30% of time and save 75% of energy. This option is much healthier than cancer and nutritional losses caused by microwave ovens. Click the link below the video to learn about the Healthy Eating Plan.